In the English Premier League game highlights, the early kickoff on Sunday saw Chelsea hosting Newcastle United at the Stamford Bridge. In a very tactical game that had the referee issue 7 yellow cards, and Kai Hazard, who had also picked a yellow card earlier, scoring the only goal of the match to end. Chelsea 1 goal, Newcastle 0. In more EPL action, Everton was reduced to 10 men after Joy Kenny picked a second yellow card only 3 minutes after picking the first yellow when they played Wolverhampton Wanderers at the Goodison Park. The game ending Everton 0, Wolverhampton 1 goal. More from the Sunday's EPL action. Leeds United pulled a smack 94th minute win over Norwich City, who had equalized in the 91st minute of the game. The match ending Leeds United 2 goals, Norwich City 1 goal. In more action from the EPL, Juan Hernandez scored twice for Watford as they played Southampton at St. Mary's Stadium. The game ending Watford 2, Southampton 1 at the St. Mary's Stadium. More from the Sunday EPL action. And at the London Stadium, West Ham United 2 goals, Aston Villa 1. And in the final fixture of the day that saw Arsenal host Leicester City at the Emirates Stadium, Thomas Partey connecting a Gabriel Martinelli cross and Alexander Lacazette scoring a penalty to make it full-time. Arsenal 2 goals, Leicester 0. Please hit the subscription button for more sport vibes.